So or is wrapping the or logic.
Yes.
It's saying, okay, so the way to read that would be key signed or key signed and valid after. Wait, right? Like,
So
is that how
or
you would read it?
so this is or, that means whatever blocks are inside the or are like the optional ones. One of them has to be true.
One of them
So
has to be true, and we have two, of those. We have key
yes,
signed
correct.
is one of those options, and then we have another option which is itself an and.
Yes,
Yes.
correct.
Okay, I can
Yes.
kind of see it now. Now I understand. That is kind of clean also.
Yep, yep.
And it's because of this comma. So it basically it's as if we did this um this guy. We tabbed up over. You did some craziness like this, you know?
Yep,
So
yep.
it's yeah. Anyway, but in English this says, and they actually have this down in our, in the vesting. Remember we talk about, oh, there's a road right there. Well, they actually have a road for us in the not in the language tour, but down in the vesting contract. They have this right here where they're going. Um, yeah, anyway, it's down in this sort of spot. Unfortunately, can't muster the brain power to like switch over there, but let's talk it through.
Oh, it's so close. Okay, that's fine.
Um,
I think I can read it by understanding that or is wrapping its logic. Um,
Yes,
right.
so
exactly.
it's
And you could have different ones. But yeah, I guess in English I wanted some word to come before or, so I could read it, and I wasn't looking at it as like wrapping an option, or an object, right? And it's any of the key values. So like I would guess it's the first one that would be true. So like let's say you had a list of 10 different ors. Um the order of them that you put would probably matter, because if the first one tripped, if the first one was true, then all of the
yeah,
other ones beneath it would never even run or care about. Um right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Because it's or.
Oh,
Yeah.
So it
okay.
just it just makes it like a smoother syntax because you don't have to say or multiple times. If you're wrapping it in or, you just put commas between all the things that
You
need
just
to.
need one of.
Yes,